Hello class, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, but it's not good night because good night you will be sleeping already. Ya, selamat bergabung lagi di dalam pertemuan kedua ini. Oke, ini melanjutkan continuation of the first meeting, which actually I have mentioned some of the topics that are in chapter 2 here, which is meeting people in here. The importance of meeting people, the important points of when you meet people, you have to differentiate. This is an official one or this one informal with your friends, something. But if you deal in a formal situation, then first of all you have to use the language, the proper language in that environment. Ya, jadi harus menggunakan bahasa yang kira-kira sesuai di dalam suatu meeting. Pertama, untuk memulai meeting, when you start a meeting, you have to be able to introduce yourself. Ya, kemudian you have to introduce the member of the people who are in the meeting. Semua orang satu-satu diperkenalkan. Say a little about what they do, apa yang mereka kerjakan, mengapa mereka di sini. Itu gunanya hanyalah untuk what they call rapport. Rapport adalah pendekatan kepada orang-orang di dalam meeting itu supaya bisa mengalir dengan lancar. Kemudian yang kedua, exchanging business card. Exchanging business card for some cultures, that is very important. For Japanese, for example, that is very important. When you receive the name card, something like that, don't put it directly to your pocket. Coba dipegang dulu, dilihat, dan put it on the table, so they feel honored bahwa kartu nama itu tetap diperhatikan. Don't write anything on top of the card. On the card, don't write anything. Jangan ditulis-tulis di kartu nama mereka. Kalau kita tidak ada kertas, kemudian we just use that name card, his name card, and then we write down on that. Jangan dilakukan. Kemudian yang ketiga, selanjutnya kita berbicara masalah salutation. Mungkin kita sudah berbicara kemarin itu ya. Jadi ada sistem, for example, salutation itu. Ingat kalau salutation, for example, we are talking to especially women. Women is a bit complicated in this case ya. Kalau dipanggil, you have to make sure that when you call someone with the name Miss, then you have to make sure that she wants to be called Miss. Jadi kita harus perhatikan kalau dia memang mau dipanggil Miss, panggil Miss. Kalau dia mau panggil Mrs, Mrs. Kalau ragu-ragu, then you have to call them by Miss, MS ya. Itu paling aman. Kalau Anda bertulis surat, ya itu lebih bagus pakai Miss. Terkecuali memang Anda tahu dia mau dipanggil Miss. Ya, takutnya kenapa? Kalau kalian bicara Miss, itu nanti mereka akan berpikir memang saya nggak laku sebaliknya begitu juga, memang saya lebih kelihatan tua atau ya itu. So you have to make sure that they want to be called with certain name. Itu yang ada di salutation. Kemudian kita akan berbicara masalah tadi introduction, ada formal way and informal way. Informal way usually we use may I introduce you to, ya, and then informal, do you know, ya, informal again. Hi, Michael, this is Sue, for example. Formal way, Mr. Ward, this is Mrs. Osborne, for example, like that. And then formal way, how are you? That's what I like. But that's what I like to use. But some people, they prefer, especially British, they like to say, how do you do? Ya, tergantung lah preference. I'm not saying this is right or wrong. No, they're all correct. Tapi I prefer to use how are you? Then ada informal, hello or hi. Ya. Selanjutnya kita berbicara masalah greeting, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, for example. But good night is rarely being used because why? If you say good night, that means they want to go to sleep, ya. Good night, selamat malam, tidur akhirnya, ya, kira-kira begitu. Then the last one that is going to be covered in this chapter, we'll be talking about organization chart, and I expect you to be able to describe the relationship, ya. Probably this one I give you already seperti bukan contekan ya, tapi sebagai pengarahan di situ sehingga kalian tinggal bisa mengisi. Tetapi juga I expect you to be able to explain based on your understanding, based on your sentences, ya. Untuk pertemuan kedua ini saya pikir cukup sampai di sini, sampai nanti ketemu di pertemuan ketiga. Terima kasih dan selamat mengerjakan tugas-tugas yang ada dalam forum. Terima kasih.